Have you ever studied for hours only to get your test back and see a terrible grade? It feels like a slap in the face. You did everything right. You read the textbook, you took notes, you even pulled an all-nighter. So why does this keep happening? The truth is that studying harder is not the solution. Studying smarter is. And most students make three huge mistakes that destroy their results. Mistake number 1, passive learning. Reading your notes over and over again. Feels productive, but it's an illusion. Your brain is just scanning words, not absorbing them. Solution: use active recall, test yourself, explain concepts out loud, and challenge your memory. Mistake number 2, last-minute cramming. You think stuffing all the information into your brain the night before will work? Nope. Your brain needs time to form strong connections. Solution: spaced repetition. Reviewing material over days or weeks is the secret weapon of top students. Mistake number 3, no real understanding. Memorizing facts without understanding is like building a house on sand. It collapses fast. Solution: ask yourself, why does this happen? How does this connect to what I already know? Make the knowledge yours. So stop wasting time on bad study habits. Here's the winning strategy. Study in short, focused sessions with breaks. Use active recall and spaced repetition. Sleep well and stay consistent. Work smarter, not harder, and watch your grades skyrocket.